We started this school on 11th of August 2022, and then we put a mission impossible to appear in exams in just 2 months. 2 months. 11th of August, 11th of September, 11th of October. 2 months. And mashallah, you guys did well. We appeared in physics exam in just 2 months. And mashallah, those who worked hard, they got a lifetime achievement. A lifetime story to tell. 2 months, given the physics exam for IGCSE Olevels, and got A grade. MashaAllah, Had, Muhammad Kyani, MashaAllah. Lifetime achievement, lifetime. You have a story to tell. Hamza Farooq, where's Hamza? Hamza Farooq, MashaAllah. You were, what was your age at that time? 11. At the age of 11 years old boy, create a story of appearing in exam in just 2 months and got a B grade. MashaAllah. A lifetime achievement. A lifetime achievement. You want to follow the tradition? You want to follow everybody? Why so hurry? Why we are so in so hurry? Why not just do the normal way? Why not just giving exams like everybody's do, like 1 year of preparation? After 1 year of preparation, when you break the rules, when you break the tradition, you make stories to tell. You create a new path for others to follow. So, Muhammad, you have created an example, mashallah. Somebody can appear in exam in just 2 months preparation and can get A grade. Subhanallah. When we take challenges in our life, what happens? What happens? We create stories. We create lifetime achievements. When you take challenges in life, what happens? You grow. You get out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone. Comfort zone kya? What is comfort zone? So, you're just sitting with no challenge in your head, spending time, life is going. How to get out of comfort zone is to take a challenge. Is to take a challenge. If you will not take challenge in your life, you will just be an ordinary man, an ordinary person among the billions of people. If you start taking challenges in your life, people will remember you. People will remember you. People will quote you. Look at this boy. Hamza Farooq has created a story in his family. He has created a story. An 11-year-old can give an exam in just 2 months preparation and can get B. He created a story. He becomes a role model for the Muslims, for the Ummah. So start taking challenges in life. Don't waste your time. If you are studying, study hard. Why not focus on distinction? Why not focus on A star? I'm not pressurizing. I'm saying create dreams, create high, achievable, challenging goals in your life. And inshallah, you will see growing yourself so fast. The time that you spend in your life without a challenge, without a challenging goal, is what? Is get wasted. There is a book, one of the famous bestseller book in the world, known as Built to Last. It was a research done on the companies who are very successful companies. And I want to identify what are the habits of those companies. What about the culture? What was the culture of those companies? And one of the main finding about those companies, the large successful companies, they were setting BHAG goals. They say BHAG, big, hairy, audacious goals. Goals that are near to impossible. Those companies had the habit of setting up goals that looks like near to impossible. The same way that you guys have done. 2 months appearing in physics exam. Almost near to impossible. So these companies have the habit of setting up big, hairy, audacious goals. Almost near to impossible. When you hear, come on, what you say? In 2 months or 3 months, you will do this? I don't believe it. And they have the habit of setting those goals and chasing them and achieving them. Iqbal said, "Tandiye baade sabah se na ghabraye uqab." ये तो चलती है तुझको ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए. When we take challenging goals, we fly in the air. We take the maximum juice of our time. We squeeze our time and take the maximum benefit from every single minute in our life. May Allah give us an opportunity to spend our time wisely, to get the best of every single minute of our life. May Allah do not make on those who waste their time. They have no value for their time. May Allah do not make among them those who are wasting their time. They have nothing, no dream, no challenge, and they are just passing the time. Just passing the time.